How about an indefinite integral, as if it were a choice? We want to find the antiderivative of the quantity 4x minus 2 times the quantity x squared plus 3 in the direction of x. We begin with our FOIL! FOILed again. So when we do use FOIL, we come up with 4x cubed plus 12x minus 2x squared minus 6. Let's put this in order. It is a compulsive behavior. So that is the antiderivative of 4x cubed minus 2x squared plus 12x, take away 6. This will be as simple as just using our power rule. We'll add 1 to the power, so we'll call it 3 plus 1 and divide by that number. We'll add 1 to this power and divide by that number. Add 1 to the next power, divide by the number, and again, I don't see any x's. We'll add 1, call it 1x, or x to the 1, and divide by 1. Now we simplify. Ooh, I'm forgetting something. The constant of integration. Okay, well 4/4, we know that's just 1. 2/3 of x cubed. We've got 6 of the x squares. Take away 6x and any old constant, because we know that there are infinitely many antiderivatives for any given function. They differ simply by a constant.